Hello friends, today I am here with full solution of chocolates in your dreams too. In this video, we will cover question answers, hordes, values, life skills and writing skills. So without any delay, let's start. A. Fill in the blanks and complete the statements. Mrs. Dev bought a large bread and 100-gram butter from the shop. Gopa's favorite television program was Super Samurai. Gopa was allowed to watch TV for an hour. Gopa went out and played video games with his friends. Alien was hiding in Gopa's shirt's pocket. Chocolates contain a harmful metal that damages the brain. Gopa wanted to become an astronaut when he grew up. B. Complete the following statements stating the reasons for the occurrence of the given events. Gopa's mother did not want him to eat chocolates because they were bad for health. Gopa could not play in the streets because passers-by and vehicles disturbed at every other moment. Mother told Gopa to do his work himself because it will make him self-reliant and keep him physically fit. Gopa thought that his mother wanted him to work because her generation went through the grind. According to the alien, Gopa's body would stop functioning after 5 years because he had been living very irresponsibly for the last few years. Alien told Gopa that we should not eat junk food because it was bad for health. Answer the following questions in not more than 30 words. Why did Gopa create a fuss in the market? Gopa created a fuss in the market because his mother had refused to buy him the chocolate he wanted from the confectionery shop. After coming out from the shop, she had told him that she would not buy anything for him. Why did Gopa's mother forbid him to watch TV? Gopa's mother forbade him to watch TV because he had been watching it continuously for more than 2 hours and his quota for watching TV had been fixed as 1 hour by his father. Another reason was that she wanted him to do his homework as he hadn't done well in maths test. What reasons did Gopa quote in favor of having cold drinks? Gopa told that these things were readily available and were advertised round the clock so that could be drunk more and more. What was the conclusion of Alien's report about Gopa's health? The alien drew the conclusion about Gopa's health that his body would stop functioning in another 5 years because he had been living very irresponsibly for the last few years and he had developed bad habits. List the instructions which alien gave to Gopa to be disciplined. The following are the instructions which alien gave to Gopa to be disciplined. Get up early in the morning, go for morning walks, avoid late night movies, avoid junk food. Read the following extracts from the play and answer the questions that follow. My dear, you have already warned me. Act 1. Who said these words and to whom? What warning had been given to the speaker? Mrs. Dev said these words to Gopa. The warning given to the speaker was that if she didn't buy the chocolate for Gopa, the one he wanted, he would create a scene in the shop. Do you have the courage to listen to what I have to say. Act 3. Whom do you and I refer to? What was the speaker going to say? How did the listener react to what the speaker said? You referred to Gopa and I referred to Alien. The speaker was going to disclose the contents of his report about the listener's health and life. The listener was scared to hear that his life would end in another 5 years and he wouldn't be able to enter college. That means your message needs to be spread to all children. Act 3. Whose message needs to be spread? What is the message? The alien's message needs to be spread. The message is for the children to eat nutritious food, give up junk food, not to watch TV continuously for long hours, do physical activity, and to become disciplined in life or they would become doomed species. Hordes. It's not simply a question of buying a chocolate. It is much more than that, says Mrs. Dev to the shopkeeper. What more does Mrs. Dev want to point out, discuss? Here, Mrs. Dev wants to say that chocolates are not healthy for us as it damages our teeth. Moreover, excess sugar leads to diabetes. Life skills. Junk food is tasty, attractive, and easily available, but harmful to health. Discuss. It's true that junk food is tasty and easily available, but the ill effects of these foods is widely known. Its regular consumption can have adverse effects on your health and may cause irreparable damage to the body. Several scientific researchers have proven that junk food can leave you prone to heart disease and may eventually make your brain weak and non functional. Values. Discuss in groups of 4 or 5 and find out what traits are common between Gopa and your generation. How will you get rid of those bad habits? We and Gopa have many common traits like we enjoy watching TV, we don't like to do much physical work, we like junk food and cold drinks. Now we know that how harmful these habits are. So from now onwards, we will try to live a disciplined life and take healthy diet. Writing skills. You are Mrs. Dev. Write a diary entry describing the changes in Gopa's attitude after you found him screaming in the dream. January 29, 2021, Friday. Dear Diary, last week my son Gopa had told me about his unusual dream in which an alien advised him to live healthy life. He even promised me to do so. I didn't take him seriously. I have been observing him since that day, and to my surprise, he has changed a lot. He is trying to avoid all his bad habits. Moreover, he has made his timetable, which involves time for study, watching TV, and playing outdoor games. Now he not only goes for morning walk but also takes his meal at proper time. I am really satisfied with my son's changed habit. Mrs. Dev.